Hey, this is Mark Friedman from Tulip, and today I want to share with you an application for material backflushing. So this works with our inventory application we most recently added to the library, and it's really just a way for you to, um, you know, allow the Tulip application to create inventory by consuming other inventory. So the case is that you're going to build something, you're going to assemble something, and you're going to use child components, and you're going to take this bill of material and you're going to assemble it together and create a new part. This is going to be the parent part. So when you do that, all the children components, in accordance with the bill of material, are going to be removed from inventory. And that's what this application does. It's going to use some tables that are already available in the library. So one of them is an inventory table. You may recognize this application here from one we just released. It's the inventory application, so I can search, and it's inventory management application. I can search for parents here, and I can see that I have parent 1 in free stock, quantity 1, parent 1 in test, quantity 3. So what I'm doing here is I'm basically just looking through my inventory, and you can see all of my components here. Then I have a bill of materials. So this establishes the parent-child relationship. So if I'm making parent 1, for example, you can see there's child 2, child 3, child 4, child 5. And this is the same table we use for other applications like the pick-to-light one, if you're interested in that. So, or kitting applications, we use it there as well. So in the backflushing application, what I'm going to do basically is select from a list of parents. I'm going to select parent 1. You can see the bill of material is here. I can click parent 2 and I'll see its bill of material, and so on. So parent 1, I'll look at its bill of material, and I can look at its inventory. So I can see I have 1 in free stock, 1 parent, and I have 1 parent in test location. But then I have all these other children components in these locations here. So so what you'll do basically is you can put them on hand. So I can choose where I want this to go. In this case, I'm going to say I want parent 1 to go into free stock, and I want to consume from the items in free stock as well. So if I press this button here, I'm basically going to create a parent, which is going to increase the quantity here to 2 while removing quantities from the children. So let's go ahead and backflush. And you'll notice here that it basically added 1 parent, and it consumed from the children here. And I actually pushed one of them negative. So the other thing you could do is you could do a reverse backflush, where I actually want to take this parent and turn it back into children components. So let me do that as well. Same idea, you enter your parent location, your component location. In this case, let me pull this from the test location. So this should turn into a 2. So let's go ahead and break these apart. And there you go. I basically reverse backflush this parent. So this application is just really simple. It's really just a function. And you can use this in your applications if you want to start tracking inventory as it changes through your value stream. Thanks.